Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect Webflow to make.com. So basically Make app makes basically the whole integration system very much easier, and it helps you actually to make automation, which is very good thing. So what can you do to actually connect them both? Well, it's pretty easy. You can use the Make application in the Webflow marketplace, which is simple and easily to find. Simply go to your dashboard and click on here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the marketplace, and I'm going to click on the apps. Now, once you get to this page, you can either search here to find it. In case you didn't find it, you can click on see more or basically search for it in this area. So I'm going to search for Make. And as you can see, this is the one that you will be looking for. So this is make.com, and it helps you a lot to make automation. So let's go ahead and open the page for it and click on install application. Here you would need to actually log into your Make account. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. And here I'm going to choose my email. Click on continue, and there we go. So sign up for free, and here we have the account ready to go. I'm simply going to go through a couple of things. I'm going to go through this and click on continue just like that and get started. So here what we need to do is to actually start making our automations. So Make will be connected with your Webflow account, so you can make your own automations. So automations are basically some kind of scenarios that will happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and build from scratch. For example, you can click here and choose, for example, some like Webflow in here, as you can see, and get the site. So for example, here, create a connection. You need to connect. It's very vague. It's a very vague thing, and it's very complicated depending on what kind of work you would like to do. But here you go. You have your integration now made, connected, and ready to start working with. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.